Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video we're going to show you how to replace the tail light, brake light bulb, the turn signal bulb on the Ford Fusion 2nd generation. Stay with us to see how we're going to do that. Don't forget to subscribe and give us a like for one new video every day. Okay guys, what you need to do, usually most people remove that plastic cover right here, which won't be terrible to do that, but you can actually do it without removing it. And you need to pull that piece, just unscrew it counterclockwise, okay, like that. And now you need to get that liner out of the bolt and you can pull it back. Careful not to break it, but you can do it without removing that plastic cover. And now for the light bulbs, okay, this is the light bulb right here. What you need to do, you need to turn counterclockwise about 30 degrees and it comes out of there. And this is the light bulb, guys, right here. And ours is not working, so all you need to do to pull it out is you need to grab the bulb with your fingers and just pull it out, okay? And it comes out like that. And this is the number if you need it, right here. And when you get the new one, you just push it back in just like that. And now you need to go right there. You need to make sure that you find the hole in the slot. It goes only in a certain angle, okay, like that. And now you turn until it clicks and it's closed and you cannot pull it out. The top one is for reverse if you need it, but in most cases they almost never burn. This one is just for the turn signal, brake light and tail light. So that's how you do it, guys. The right side is identical like the left side, but we just demonstrate on the left one. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.